Madam, the Official Secretary of His Excellency the President, welcome to the state.
Thank you very much for your work.
Madam, may I introduce to you the Honorary Edicom, Captain Bang,
Sir.
Who will be escorting you for the guard of honor. If you have any questions, this would be an opportunity for you to ask him.
No questions.
Very good. Yes. In that case, whenever you're ready, ma'am, we'll invite you. I'll escort you to details.
I'm ready.
General salute!
Miss Lucy Bogari, High Commissioner of the Independent State of Papua New Guinea to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, Queen of Papua New Guinea, the independent state of Papua New Guinea, has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the High Commissioner of the independent state of Papua New Guinea to the Republic of Korea, the Republic of Fiji, rather. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor, Peter F.
Your Excellency, I'm pleased to receive your credentials and the letter of recall of your predecessor. Welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to Her Majesty the Queen, the government, and the people of the independent state of Papua New Guinea our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace, and prosperity. Congratulations, welcome to Fiji.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you. Good luck with you. I look forward to seeing you.